Hello and welcome to On4 Creations. My name is Ashley and today I will be showing you how to make an envelope in Cricut Design Space. This video is a part 2 to a video that I created on how to make a simple bridal shower invitation with your Cricut machine. I will have that video listed in the description if you are interested. So let's get started. So first we'll go to and in the search box, we're going to search for envelopes with inserts. So we're just looking for any envelope that has inserts, and we'll go with the one on the very top, the floral envelope with insert. Design Space will give you instructions on how to make this if you're interested, but we're just going to click customize so we can edit. And it may take a while for it to populate, but when it does, 3 envelopes will populate. And so for this project, we're just going to need one envelope. So I'm just going to delete the other 2 first. Okay, now that those 2 are deleted, we'll change the colors on the envelope and insert card by clicking both layers and changing the colors. And that's all you need to do. I'm going to keep the scoring marks, so we're just going to click make it. So on the prepare page, your envelope and insert will be viewed on 2 different mats. So before hitting continue, make sure your Cricut machine is on and insert your scoring tool on the left side of your blade on your machine if you have a scoring tool. And for this project, I use my Cricut Air Explorer 2, so for the cut settings, I put my dialer on like cardstock. Now we're ready to assemble. First, add some type of adhesive to your insert. I'm using double-sided tape. It holds very well, but if you don't have any double-sided tape, stick glue or paper glue will work just as well. Next, let's line up the insert score line to the envelope score line and then press it firmly on there. After the insert is attached, start pushing down the folds where the score marks are. I'm using my scoring tool from my machine to help push it down. So again, we're going to add some more tape to the side pieces so it will hold the bottom piece of the envelope. And now that your envelope is complete, all is left is to add in your invitation, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that I was able to help you learn how to make your own envelope. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you back soon. Thanks, guys.